Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've got a huge new release from the UAT Pro team to talk about today. We're breaking down version 197.01, and trust me, it's not just packed with updates, it comes with an absolutely incredible deal you won't want to miss. So let's just dive right in.
All right, first things first, the big news. Version 197.01 isn't a test version, it's not coming soon, it is officially live. It's out, it's ready, and you can download it right now.
But here's the kicker. This isn't just another software patch. The team has timed this release to coincide with what they're calling the best offer of the entire year. So if you've been on the fence about getting UAT Pro, or maybe your subscription is about to run out, you are definitely going to want to pay close attention.
Okay, let's get straight to the good stuff. What is this amazing deal? Well, it's called the Ramadan 2026 offer, and it's a limited time promotion that has two fantastic deals, one for new users and one for existing users. They've got everyone covered.
And here's exactly how it breaks down. It's super simple. If you're a new user activating a new account, you buy 1 year of service and you get a second year completely 100% free. Now, for all the existing users out there, if you renew your account for 1 year, you'll get an extra 6 months tacked on at no extra cost. I mean, just think about that value for new folks. Let's just spell it out. That's 2 full years of access for the price of 1. What a fantastic way to jump into the UAT Pro ecosystem.
And for the loyal users, the value is just as awesome. You renew for a year and you end up with a grand total of 18 months. That's a year and a half of uninterrupted service. It's a really great way of saying thank you to the whole community. Now, one really important thing to keep in mind is the clock is ticking on this one. This is not a permanent deal. You have until March 23rd, 2026 to take advantage of this. So seriously, mark your calendars, because once that date passes, this offer is gone for good. Okay, so we've covered the amazing offer. Now let's get into the technical heart of version 177.01. The biggest piece of news here is a massive, and I mean massive, expansion in support for Samsung devices, specifically the ones running on Qualcomm chips.
So, the headline feature is that the tool now supports a whole new range of Samsung Qualcomm models. This is a huge deal because it means it can now handle newer security versions, the higher bits, which unlocks key functions for a ton of devices that were previously off-limits.
So, what's the main function being added for all these new models? It's the ability to reset FRP. Now, for anyone who's maybe a little new to this, FRP stands for Factory Reset Protection. It's that Google security layer that locks a phone to the owner's account after a factory reset. Yep, this update gives you the power to handle that security feature on so many more devices now. So which devices are we talking about here? Well, get ready, because the list is long, and it covers some of the most popular models out there. We're talking key devices in the Galaxy A series like the A02s and the A23, plus a huge win for the S series with support for the S20 FE and the entire S21 lineup, the Base, the Plus, and the Ultra. And they didn't stop there. The support now extends to Samsung's incredible foldable line, including the original Z Flip, the Z Flip 3, the Z Fold 2, and the Z Fold 3. On top of all that, popular F-series phones like the F14 and F23 are now covered as well.
And the scope of this update goes way beyond just the flagships. It now covers popular M-series phones, the new Galaxy C55, and even specialized devices like the super rugged Xcover 6 Pro and the A8 Star.
And finally, to really round out all the new hardware support, this update brings a huge number of Samsung tablets into the mix. We're talking everything from the Tab S6 Lite 2022 edition to the rugged Tab Active 4 Pro, the powerful Tab S7 and S7 Plus, and even the brand new Tab A9 Plus series. It really is a comprehensive list.
So, you've seen the incredible offer. You've seen the massive list of newly supported devices. Now, let's talk about the practical stuff. What else is new, and how do you actually get your hands on this update?
There are just a few other important details tucked into the release notes. First up, the PC change time has been adjusted. It's now 60 minutes. For any distributors and resellers watching, the Auto API is now available to help streamline your operations. The team also wanted to put the word out that new resellers are always welcome. And finally, the Samsung Flash protocol itself has been updated for better performance and compatibility.
Getting this update couldn't be simpler. Step 1, just head over to the official UAT Pro website. Step 2, look for the setup file. It's going to be named setup_UAT_Pro_197.01 and download it. And step 3, if you need any help or just want to connect with the community, make sure you join the official Telegram group for support.
And that pretty much wraps up our deep dive. Between that incredible 2-for-1 offer and the gigantic expansion of Samsung device support, this is truly one of the most significant updates for UAT Pro in a long, long time. So really, the only question left to ask is, are you ready to upgrade your toolkit?